In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your credit card to Rocket Money. Let's dive right in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Rocket Money website. It's easy to find, just type in Rocket Money into your search bar and be on the lookout for their official site. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your Rocket Money account. Simply click on the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right of the page. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so to proceed, but for those already set up, just enter your credentials to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, it's time to head over to the credit card section. Typically, you'll see an option labeled credit cards, and next to it, a button that says Add Plus. Clicking this button will redirect you to Rocket Money's secure account linking portal. It's worth mentioning that this process is powered by Plaid, a trusted service in the industry, ensuring that your information is handled safely and securely. Now that you're at the portal, the next task is to select your bank. In the search bar provided, type in the name of your bank. It could be a major one like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, or perhaps a different one. Just type in its name. Once you see your bank listed in the search results, go ahead and tap on it to proceed. After selecting your bank, you'll then need to click on the Continue button. This will take you to a login screen where you'll securely enter your online banking credentials. It's important to note that Rocket Money uses encrypted read-only access, keeping your information safe. In some cases, your bank might prompt you to complete a two-factor authentication step to verify your identity. Complete this step as directed to proceed. Moving forward, you'll be given the option to select which accounts you want to connect to Rocket Money. Whether it's a checking account, a savings account, or even multiple accounts including your credit card, you can choose one or more that you wish to link. After making your selection, simply tap on Continue to confirm your choices. Finally, you'll want to verify the connection to ensure everything is synced up just right. Once linked, Rocket Money will automatically sync your transactions. To verify that everything is set up correctly, you can return to the Linked Accounts section where you should see your bank account listed as connected. And that's it! You've successfully linked your credit card to Rocket Money, allowing you to take full advantage of its features to manage your finances seamlessly. I hope you found this guide easy to follow, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out for more help.